Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this ultimate futuristic Android tech launcher on your mobile phone. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Nextron launcher from the Play Store first, and you can get this super cool orange themed tech launcher. And you can find this clock on the top, a clock widget, a super animated clock widget. You can find the animation and followed by the battery widget, and it has some animations and also the calendar widget. So in the bottom section you can find the dark bar with the orange themed, and every icon track and also the folders have a orange cover which look actually great. In second page you can find a music player which is so animated, and if you just play a song it will be have some animations on this. It's so cool actually look like. So orange themed a minimal looked tech launcher, if you just need it you can just definitely try this. So this is a super cool tech launcher, and for getting this theme, go to the launcher setting, go to the theme section, just swipe down and you can find this theme on the theme number 9. Just apply the theme. You can automatically set every widget has been placed, and also the app icon has been customized, and you can have other more options. So you can just change the wallpapers or other like changing the theme color. You can get more options, and I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.